there's no such thing as writer's block. Writer's block is real, but it does not exist. What it really is misnamed, I have a fear of bad writing. I have a fear of what the world will say when it encounters my bad writing. And the way through is to do your bad writing. You don't have to ship it to the world, but you have to do the bad writing. And bad writing, over time, if you do enough of it, can't persist. Good writing will slip through. I learned this from Isaac Asimov. He and I worked together on a project years ago. He published 400 books back when it was hard to publish a book. 400 books. And he told me every morning for 6 hours, he would sit and type. And it didn't matter if it was good or not. He had to do 6 hours of typing. Now, obviously, he didn't have a typing problem. Just about anybody can do 6 hours of typing. And then at the end of the shift, he would look, throw out the bad writing, whatever was left, what was left. And the subconscious understood that if he's going to type anyway, you might as well type something good. So he got through the bad writing thing. This is where we lead to the second part about being conflicted. And it's a small Nike riff. Just do it implies, what the hell? It doesn't matter. That's not a good way forward because it pushes you to be a hack who's not responsible for your own work. The alternative is to replace the word just with the word merely. Merely do the work. That the time you are spending narrating yourself doing the work, the time you're spending catastrophizing the work, is not helping anything. And so I was a really insecure, failing entrepreneur for at least 8 years in a row. Just consistently failing, barely breaking even, getting close to bankruptcy on a regular basis. And I was willing things to work out. And I was spending a lot of time dramatizing all of the perfect problems that I was confronting. And then I was able to shift to merely doing the work without the narrative and without the drama. And as soon as we can merely do the work, then there's room to see what needs to be seen. So I don't believe in the muse at all. I don't think there's any outside force. I don't think talent really matters. I think what matters is choosing to find your smallest viable audience, understand your genre, and explore what it means to make magic in the small so you can do it again.